Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. Reservation. You know that within the AWS you have a possibility basically to pay advanced. You can pay for 1 year or you can pay for 3 years. It's like a commitment. If you will do that, the price per resources will be lower. But the process of choosing what kind of commitment you need to go with is really complicated. There are a lot of different options. We try to automate this process. Again, we create an algorithm and try to simplify this process as much as possible. You have a wizard option. You click on it. It's asking you 7 questions. I can launch it. So let's get started. Do I want to resell my EC2 instances? Let's say no, I don't want. Do you want to tenant EC2 instances? No, I don't want to tenant my instance. Do you want to change EC2 region? Let's say I have a database, so I don't want to change it because I need to be within the same region as my application. Do you want to change EC2 availability zone? Yeah, I don't care if the availability zone will be changed, that's fine. Do you want to change EC2 type? No, I don't want to change EC2 type. I want to stay within the same as is currently used. Do you want to change EC2 family? No, I don't. Do you want to change operation system? Of course not. And wizard complete. So I can click on go to recommendations and it will generate the recommendations. So I see that it basically recommends me to go with the EC2 instances to a saving plan, different EC2 types. Here is the on-demand price. Here is what's going to be the price with the discount. So it's a significant reduction. Also, I can play with the payment option, like 1 year, 3 years, paying upfront or partially, no upfront. Let's say 3 years. And I can again apply. Again, it will generate me the recommendations. I can take a look on them. So, for example, for Elastic Cache, it says that recommendation is basically to go to reserved instance. I will need to commit for four instances. This is the type. The price was $756, and with the discount, it's going to be almost half. It's even more than half. It's like 55%. It's $340. And at the end, I can see what my total. So my total monthly savings, if I will go with all the recommendations, going to be 53%. I will start saving almost $4K per month. There is no apply button at the moment. There is only dry run. But in future, there is going to be apply button, and you will be able to apply all of the recommendations just from here.